everybody, it is that time. It is a new month. You know what that is? It is time for Subscribe and Save. My Amazon haul. Yes, so I shared with you guys this haul last month, and I'm just kind of bringing you guys some deals. So if you guys are following me on my deals by DesignerJen, I've been slacking off, but I've been trying to share with you guys deals on that. So if I catch them, I will let you guys know. I also been doing the app Brandclub for a while there. It took me a while to figure it out, but I've been really taking advantage of getting things from them. So every day, they post on their social media at night what is going to be the daily deal the following day. And it shows up at 10 o'clock in the morning, my time. I have Central Standard Time. So it shows up at 10 in the morning, usually at like 10:02. And they have like it'll be four to five items that you can choose from. And sometimes they're like 50% off or a little bit more. Mostly it's 50% off. But basically what it means is you go to the app, you click the item, it'll take you to your Amazon, you purchase it, then you exit out of the Amazon thing, and you hit that little plus button on the Brandclub, and then you'll instantly get that money to your Brandclub account. And then when you hit, I think you have to have $20 minimum, I don't know how much it is, but you can only redeem $50 at a time. But they instantly give that to you. And then if you have your app like connected to Target and the grocery store that I have, and then also Walmart, so I always make sure I scan all my receipts into the Walmart app if I'm using gift cards and stuff, because then I get like money here. When I go and did like my 90% off shopping at both Target and Amazon, or Target and Walmart, I ended up making a couple bucks back from Brandclub buying those items. So I'm here to share with you guys everything that I got for Subscribe and Save, and then I will let you know if some of those items are Brandclub related. So I don't know half of this stuff. I don't know half of this stuff. But one thing is, I will give you guys a couple things. There are a couple things that what you guys can do is you can always add like these dollars. There's a couple items, like there is a taco seasoning that you guys can do for Subscribe and Save. But you have to have them all individually. You have to have 5 individual items, but you could do it 5 times. And then what happens is when you purchase more stuff, the maximum savings you can get for Subscribe and Save is 15% off that price. And then you can always delete the taco seasoning if you guys want, if you have more than 5 items. So that's how I kind of figured it out. And then every once in a while they have it where if you sign up for Subscribe and Save, you get an additional like 10% off, or you'll get like 25% off. So that's even more. So I ended up getting some Ritz crackers. These are the cheese ones. I got 2 cheese package ones, and I got 2 peanut butter ones. There's 4 of them in here all together, and my kids love this stuff. So the Ritz crackers, they were originally $15.12. Now some of these prices have changed since I've done it, but $15.12, okay? I did the Subscribe and Save, and I got 15% off. So I actually, out of pocket, paid $12.85 for those. But Brandclub was offering $8 back. So I got that whole pack for $4.85. $4.85. That's like $1 a pack. And like these are perfect for snacks, lunches, and all that stuff. So take advantage of that stuff while you guys can do it. Then I ended up getting some more snacks, okay? I ended up getting a whole box of Chips Ahoy and Oreos. These little cups. These cups are like $1 something each, give or take. I don't know how much they usually, I think they're like, usually they're $1. And it looks like I got 14 of them. I got 14 cups right here, 14 cups. So these were $14.60. That's like, again, like $1. But with my Subscribe and Save, I got 15% off because I have 5 items or more. But then I also got 25% off for joining Subscribe and Save. So this is something what you guys can do is you purchase the item and then you just cancel it, or wait till you get more stuff, and then before your thing renews again, you can just skip it or you can cancel it. But I got an additional 25% off for, you know, subscribing for the first time. So I ended up paying $8.76. $8.76 for this? Yes. But since my account is connected to Brandclub, I got 29 cents back with Brandclub because I bought an Oreo product. So $8.47 is what this all cost me. And I think that's a great deal considering these are a little over $1. My kids love these. My kids go crazy over these. And we're going on a road trip in a couple weeks, so this is a perfect little snack to have for our road trip. So, and they expire in a month. That's nice. That's nice. They expire in 1 month, but they'll be gone by then. Okay, I got one more snack thing for you guys. So these are the crackers. These are the premium crackers, okay? This was a deal. It was $8.81. It was 15% off for subscribe and save. So I got them for $7.68 $7.48. I don't even know. But anyways, I ended up getting 38 cents back with Brandclub. So these technically came out to be $7.38 or just $1.82 a pack. But I ended up getting 2 of these oyster crackers, and then I ended up getting 2 packs of the mini crackers. So I'm pretty excited for these. So that comes out to be like, yeah, $1.82 a pack. I don't know if that's a great deal or not, but my husband makes chili a lot and my kids love crackers, so I couldn't pass that up. My son loves soup or oyster crackers like crazy. Okay, so the next deal I got, Lysol 3-pack. Lysol 3-pack. These were $13.47. I had the 15% off for subscribe and save, so I paid, now I get the hiccups. I paid $11.48 for 3 of these. $11.45 for 3 of these. But Brandclub that day was offering $7 back when you purchase it. So I got these for $4.45 or just $1.48. And these are the big ones. These are the big wipes. So these ones each have 80 wipes inside. So I'm like, I couldn't pass it up. I could not pass it up. We use these wipes like crazy. So I ended up doing that. Here's the deal that I really love getting is the Annie's 12 pouches. Now I think I posted this deal and my kids are like, no, that's okay. And I'm like, okay, I won't get them. But then I saw that Brandclub had a deal and I had to get these. So these were $8.69. There is 10% back. You don't always get 15. Some of it's 5, some of it's 10, some of it's 15. But I ended up getting 10 cents back, or 10% off for doing the subscribe and save. And then there's a 25% off coupon where if I signed up for a subscribe and save, I would get an additional 25% off. So I paid $5.65 for this. But that day, Brandclub was offering $4.34 back when you purchased that. So I got this box for $1.31. $1.31 for 12 of them. And there's 4 snacks per thing, and I am super excited for these because these are supposed to be these are organic, I think. Yeah, so these are a little bit better than like Cheez-Its, but you can't pass up $1.31 for like snacks for school. Yes. Okay. Next thing I got, Q-tips. I ended up getting these. These were $3.86. You only get 5% back for subscribe and save, so I paid $3.66 for this. But Brandclub was offering $2 that day, so I got this for $1.66. And I think that's a good deal considering Walgreens wants $4 for this. $4 for Q-tips. Yeah, I always see them on sale like 2 for $8. So, or even maybe more than that. I don't know. But $1.66. Yes. Okay. Now, this was a Brandclub deal. Colored pencils. I kind of wanted to get a set of colored pencils. This is a 36 count. I wanted to get some because I got a cool coloring book for Christmas and I kind of wanted to just kind of color for a little bit. But these Crayolas were $5.97. There was no subscribe and save for this one, but I did get $3 back from Brandclub, making this just $2.97 for 36. I know usually you can get the 12 pack for like $1 or whatever around back to school time, so $2.97. Yes, I got that. Bounty napkins. Yes, Bounty napkins were $3.48. I only got 5% back for subscribe and save, so I paid $3.31 for this. But Brandclub that day was offering $1.74 back, so I ended up getting this pack of napkins for $1.57. Like, that's cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Cheaper than the Dollar Tree, if you think about it, because the Dollar Tree would only sell you like not even a quarter of these. But there is 200 napkins in here for $1.57. I will take it. I will take it, and we go through napkins like crazy, and I don't really ever coupon very much like I used to for napkins, so yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm almost done. My husband's been taking this acid reducer. So he was going to order another one. I says, no, don't order one because he's going to pay full price for it. And we don't pay full price. I says, I will order it for you. So this was just $10.43. And then with the 15% for subscribe and save, it is $7.31. And then he told me he doesn't want this anymore. He's trying something different. And I'm like, well, I already got this. So he's asked me if I could return it. So I'm going to see if I can return this. But if not, whatever. But that's just something he needed, and I didn't want him paying full price. Because he would have paid, $10.43, and I got it for $7.31. So, yeah. Okay. This is a deal I am super excited for. This is the Eucerin Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Face Cream. 2 of them. And this deal is still good from when I checked last. This deal is still good. So, these are each $11.99. I don't even know how much I don't even know if Walmart sells these. But they were $11.99. I'm just checking the Walmart app to see what they sell these for. $15.37. $15.37. Amazon sold them for $11.99. But I get 15% off for the subscribe and save. And then there is a 20% off coupon if I signed up for subscribe and save. And there is a deal where if I spend $20, I get $10 off. So I got 2 of them for $7.98 or $3.99. This deal is still good. Last time I figured it out. But I'm actually excited to try this. I'm trying to use more, better facial stuff. So I'm excited to try this out. And for $3.99, yes. So got that. My husband needed some Tums. I'm like, you want some Tums? Yeah. So these were $4.88. I got 15% off for subscribe and save, and then for signing up for subscribe and save, like basically when you're going to start a subscription, they give you a bonus. So I get 35% off for that. So I paid $2.57 for this, but Brandclub gave me 10 cents back for this. So I got this technically for $2.47 for a 72 count of the Tums. Okay, now we're going to get into something that I used to eat like crazy when I was a kid. And I'm going to show you guys this deal. So don't judge me. This is something that I always will eat and continue to eat. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. I ended up getting SpaghettiOs with meatballs. Now, these were $1 on Amazon. They went up in price, but they were $1. Now, considering my Walmart and my grocery stores now sell this for like $1.25, I thought, ooh, $1. There is a deal where if the subscribe and save, so I only got 5% off. So I paid 95 cents for this. That's still cheaper. 95 cents is still cheaper than if I went to the grocery store and bought it. And then I'm not paying for gas and all that other stuff. And I also have an Amazon credit card. Sorry, my throat's dry. I also have an Amazon credit card, so I get 5% back for all my purchases off Amazon products. But I ended up paying 95 cents for this, and it was a limit of 1. I'm like, seriously, I want to buy more. I want to buy more of my SpaghettiOs. This is an item where if you need items to get that 15% off, you got to do this. But it only let me order once, so I ordered it. Then I went back and purchased another one because I wanted to get more. So I only got the 2, but this is a great deal. So this, you have to do this separately, but you get 5% off, so 95 cents. Can't go wrong for 95 cents for a can of SpaghettiOs. I know you guys probably don't eat them. I grew up on that stuff. When my mom couldn't afford a lot of stuff, I grew up on that, and I've always been loving it. When I used to work at my store that I used to work at, people made fun of me because I always would eat SpaghettiOs. I just love SpaghettiOs. I just love them. That's just one thing that if I ever had to live off of it, I would. Now, Chef Boyardee is something I've kind of ate here and there, but I do love the ravioli. They got rid of raviolios. SpaghettiOs got rid of the raviolios. I'm like, seriously, those things were the best, and they got rid of them. And if I ever find them again, I'm going to be a happy camper, but we have to get Chef Boyardee. So this was a 4-pack right here. 4-pack of Chef Boyardee ravioli. This is $4.28, $4.28. But with the subscribe and save, I got 15% off. 15% off. So I paid $3.64. That's 91 cents a can. And again, $1.25 or something like that at the store. So I got these for just 91 cents a can. That's a great deal. Great deal. So I got that. And that was my haul, you guys. That was my haul. I've been trying to get like food items. That's one, a lot of you guys would keep telling me get food items. And I know it's not like the healthiest choices, but that's what I got. I'm trying to also make sure I check like Brandclub ahead of time the night before. So in case I want to buy it, I'm aware of it. Because I don't want to always just buy stuff on impulse. Like I'm like, oh, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. I've been really trying to like think before I speak. But I'm going to try to do, you know, more deals on my Facebook page. So make sure you guys follow and interact on that. But if I bought all that stuff on Amazon without any discounts, any coupons, it would have been $119.57. $119.57. I ended up getting $26 back with Brandclub. And then with all the percentages and the digital coupons and Brandclub factored in, I got all that stuff I showed you guys for $55.96. That's to me, I think that's a pretty good deal. $55.96. I got stuff for the kids' lunch. I mean, this is 14 days of lunch right here. I got whatever these packages of, what, there's 8 of them in here. That's 36 days of lunch right there. And then, you know, 12 days of the Andes. So I got a lot of stuff for lunches. So I ended up getting it for $55.96, and I think I'm pretty happy. I saved $63.61 for everything, and I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. I will be returning this. My husband did not want this anymore, which is fine. But otherwise, everything that I got, I'm pretty happy. So if you guys enjoy something like this, please let me know. Make sure you follow me on my Facebook page, and then I will share with you guys this. Some of these deals are still available if you're looking at some of that stuff, but if you guys ever see a hot deal and you want me to share it, just definitely let me know it. But I'm going to try to post more deals on Facebook. I wish I could do it. I don't know if you guys want me to post them on YouTube. I could. It'd be a little post here and there. But yeah, I'm just happy with everything that I got. But yeah, that was my haul. I will definitely share with you guys everything I get next month. But I've been really trying to keep it a little bit organized for you guys, you know, explaining you things here and there. But if you haven't joined Brandclub, definitely do it. You get points, or you just have to join the clubs, and I have the referral link below. But you just join the clubs and then connect them to your accounts, and then you get money here and there. They do have it where if you do surveys, you can only do 3 surveys a day. But you get, if you buy those products, you get that money. The surveys to me, sometimes like I have to redo them all. But I really love the daily deals. I really love the daily deals. So that's just something I keep tracking. I have my alarm go off every single day at 10 o'clock in the morning to let me know if I wanted to buy it or not. So I just have that on a repeat reminder. But some of that stuff does sell out pretty fast. I'm just going to tell you guys that. Some of that stuff sells out like that. One time I wanted to buy something and at 10:14 it was all sold out. And I'm like, okay. So I really got to put in thought on what I want. And I sometimes will go to the Amazon item and make sure to see what it would be for the subscribe and save before I even get the Brandclub deal, just because I want to do like what comparison. So yeah, but I'm excited with everything that I got. And yeah, and then you can always change your dates. Like I could do 2 weeks of subscribe and save. I'm just doing it monthly, but you can always change your date and have it rushed here. But I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. So if you guys enjoy this, make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. I will see you guys next month for another Amazon subscribe and save. See you guys later, and bye-bye.